So now let's see how we can utilize the tune blur effect inside of Corel Draw. So to do that, I'm going to go ahead and import out an image right here. So let's just go ahead and import, let's say for example, this particular image that I have right here. So in order to go ahead and apply the tune blur effect, I'm going to go around under effects right here, and then I'm going to go around over here, and you can see that tune blur is an option right here. So once you go ahead and do that, you can see that this is what I have. I can change around the steps right here, and then the blur actually changes out accordingly. So you need to go ahead and choose a blur right here. For example, you chose Gaussian blur, so you can go ahead and change around the steps, as you can see right here. And then you see these very different options. You can even soften and so forth. Let me just press Ctrl Z right here, and if I were to go around, click on soften right here, so you can see that as I go around over here, I can actually go ahead and choose different type of blur right here. So I can choose directional smooth, or I can go ahead and choose Gaussian, and simply click right here on the effect that you want in tune blur and choose the amount of steps as well. And then as you click on them, you can see that you can simply add in the blur right here, just like this. And that is how you can utilize the tune blur effect inside of Corel Draw to apply the blur effect to images that you have in there. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.